Everyone back at the cabin again today. Going to be cooking up some food on the fire. Just grabbing a bit of paper right now, some cardboard. Gonna start a quick fire and then get to cook. Okay, now we're going to be cooking our food. We gotta grab all of our stuff. We got a fire started. It's gonna be pretty good. We're making pastalaya. Never made it before. Okay, we're putting our chicken on right now, quickly in between. We're gonna pop it over the coal, not over the flame, otherwise we might burn them. One. Don't really know how many got in here. It appears two. Okay, so here first, we're gonna start with our vegetable oil. It says use vegetable oil, but we're gonna use olive oil because we did not have any vegetable oil. Make sure you do it over your pot. That way if you spill any, it's just getting added to the mix. I'll put our veggies in. Smelling delicious. We're gonna start adding everything else. Adding some, it says use like a Cajun seasoning or something, but we're gonna use our Texas chili. Deliciousness. It says 2 tablespoons of this stuff. Okay, it's all done. We're gonna scoop it out on some plates now. Looks super tasty. I'm gonna have like